So in this Google Slides tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to present a Google Slides presentation in Google Slides here on the Google Slides mobile application. So once you have Google Slides opened up on your device, what you have to do is go into your presentation. Now, first off, I'm just going to make this so that this home screen right here, I'm going to go ahead and change maybe the theme of this by going to the top right, pressing on the three dots, going to where it says change theme. And how about I make the theme this one right here where it says material. Just that this slide's a little bit different. This slide's different. I'm just going to go ahead and add a shape to this slide, just so you can tell the difference between all three slides. So there you go. First slide, second slide, third slide, my masterpiece right here. Now, if you want to share this presentation or if you want to, present it, go to the top and press on the plus. Or sorry, not the plus icon, the play icon. So it's sort of like a triangle that's sort of aiming to the right. So sort of right in the middle top here. Go ahead and press on that. Then where it says present on this device, you can go ahead and do that, or you can present to a meeting, present to a Chromecast, whatever the case may be. But for simplicity's sake, I'm just going to go ahead and press on present on this device. It's now going to be loading my untitled presentation, and there you go. So that's my one slide. You can always go back and go forth. That's just my one thing, my masterpiece right there. I'm swiping back and forth between the different slides, my first slide, second slide, third slide, just by swiping. So that is pretty much how you guys can present a Google Slides presentation here in Google Slides. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.